Alright y'all, so I'm finally finna do a wash, retwist, and style on my locks. It's been a minute, but that's the thing about locks, even when they old, they still look good. And here I am washing my hair. And just a little lock tip, if you aren't bending over doing the waterfall method, chances are you're not getting all that buildup out the back of your head. It's probably matted in your locks. And I just dried off, and now I'm gonna go in with my lock mist and add more moisture, more ingredients that keep my scalp clean and promote growth inside my locks. Spray, 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 spray. And then I'm gonna come back behind it with the Wand Lock oil, the one and only. And yeah, see that drip right there? Straight like that. So then I'm gonna drop it off in my hands like this. I like to do this so that way I can rub it and get it on the whole lock and not just my scalp, so that way it can be moisturized all the way. Then I'm gonna go back through with my little nozzle and hit the scalp, get it on in there, massage, and you know I'm gonna give it a little shake, shake, shake. One thing about Wand, she gonna shake these locks. Hey. And here I am with the twisting process. Now with this, y'all, I'm gonna do another tutorial and show y'all exactly how to do the lock knock bob. This is my first time, so I had to get my method down, and I just had to teach y'all that at another time. And bam, I don't even know how it look from the back, but we finna see if it's a go or a no. Turn around, baby. Ooh, yes, and she killed it. Lock knock bob, y'all, check it out. You wanna see more styles?